get first priority. Okay, so this is unit 244, the 12-inch deep body wave. And now we're gonna try on a couple of different ones?
Yeah.
Okay, which one do you want to start with?
I think we should go like from most curly to the wavy one.
Okay, that sounds good. Yeah, these are all really good options.
Which one would you say is your favorite wig?
So far, I really like that one. Just because it's not, well, let's see, because we might like really long. So this is unit number 537. This is an 18-inch deep body wave. So the first one was 12 inches. Or should we start at the middle layer level? Or,
Oh, and then go longer?
yeah, well, let's just do this one. It's already here. So this one's 18 inches. We started with 14. Okay. And you can use this comb here to play with that front hairline or change the part however you want. Because we kind of just dried it going back, but
Yeah.
you can change it however you want. And then if you flatten it down, you can really see what that looks like there. And then it's really easy to maintain just to get those curls back. Use the hydrating curl definer and amplifier, and there you go.
This one's nice too.
How do you like the
That's
18-inch?
crazy. I mean, yeah, it's really pretty.
Shake your head. Is it nice and secure?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's really pretty.
Can I see the full length?
Yep. And shake your head. It's nice and secure, right?
Yeah.
Okay, good.
This one's nice. It's a lot longer.
Yeah, that's the
Stylish.
18-inch. And next we're going to try on, I think it's a 14-inch. So this one is unit number 537. And then now we're going to do unit 240, which is a 14-inch. So this is just a little bit longer than the first one and a little bit shorter than the second one. Now we also have 16-inch. So let's scoot this cap back a little. Okay. So we do have a length that's a little bit longer than this length, but then shorter than that last one that we tried. How do you like this length? This is
Yeah.
a 14-inch.
I think this one frames my face a little bit better.
I think I like the 14 the best.
Yeah, this one's nice. Yeah, this one's really nice. Yeah, I think I like this one better than the 12-inch, right?
Yeah. Do you want a little bit of layers in the front? So I can just give it a little bit of shape just right in here. Just take a little bit of that off. Just right in here. And so then whether you play with your hair this way or this way, it's going to have a little bit of,
Yeah.
you know, a little bit of attitude. Did you want to still try on the wavy one?
I think I'll try the red one.
Okay, yeah, the red one's a good one too.
Yeah, I think. Might as well go all out. Do you guys ever do like really, really bright colors?
Yeah, we can do whatever color you want. We can customize the color for you. We do coloring here in store. So this is wig number 481.
So I can always just bring my wig back.
Yeah, and then we'll color it for you.
Yep.
I love that dark red
Whoa.
color.
This one is really pretty. Wow. This is nice. This is third.
And this one's on clearance, unit number 481. I believe it's $250 off. Shake your head. Whoop, whoop. I love that color. I really like the jet black on you too, though.
I'll make it two. Take the whole green.
Yep.
This one's really nice. Like,
Mm.
I like this one for sure. Now I don't know which one I want. Yeah, I like this one. So for wigs, your hair grows like normally underneath it, right?
Yeah, it's not going to stop anything going on with your hair growing. Because even though you have that buzz cut, your hair is going to eventually grow once it gets
Right.
long enough to have to break down.
Yeah.
First, it'll probably be long enough to just kind of slip down, so you'll just
Right.
put some gel in it and keep it flat.
Yeah.
You can keep the stocking cap on it just to keep, that sticky stuff from
Yeah,
the
yeah.
wig. Then as your hair gets a little bit longer, too long to maybe like slip things, just maybe put a braid in it. Like keep that stocking cap on to just keep your hair just down
Yeah,
underneath, and you're good to go. As long as it's flat and you can keep under there, your hair is gonna grow. You take this off at night, wash your hair when you want, and you can glue it down. You don't have to because it's glueless. That's why it's nice and secure. But you're good to go, and your natural hair underneath is definitely still going to be healthy and
Yeah.
growing.
This is really nice. How much is this one?
This one is $250 off of this, so that would be 600. 600.
I'm gonna go see it again.
Yeah, definitely.
Full length.
So we started with these ones over here. 244 was our favorite, but then we think we like 240, which is a 14-inch deep body wave. This was a 12-inch. This one right here is an 18-inch deep body wave, unit number 537, and then we also have unit 133 here, which is a 14-inch wavy. What do you think?
I really like this.
Okay, we're gonna wrap up and see what happens. Thank you.